Recover your Xbox password. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to recover your Xbox account password. But first, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. There are other related videos on the channel already. If you have questions, check out the playlist I've linked in the card. This video is for those who forgot their Xbox password and can't reset it. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Xbox website, xbox.com. That's the site. Once there, click on the profile icon at the top. Enter the email you used to register. It'll ask for your password. Since you forgot it, click on the Forgot Password option below. This lets you reset your password to a new one. I'll click on Forgot Password here. Enter your contact info and the email registered with Xbox. It asks for a second different contact email. Also, enter the security characters shown in this field. Then click Next at the bottom. A code was sent to the email you provided. That's the second contact email you entered. Check that email and retrieve the code sent there. After entering the code here, it'll ask for info like your name, birth date, country, region, state, all from your registration. After filling everything, click Next below. It'll ask about other passwords used for this account. It'll request 2 passwords similar to your old one. Enter passwords you remember off the top of your head. Even if you don't know your Xbox account password, try to recall some passwords you use. Xbox will check for similarities with the current password to help recover it. It asks if I've used any Microsoft products before. Answer if you've used or bought any Microsoft software, devices, or subscriptions. Select yes or no, then click Next. The site says once info is sent, just wait. Microsoft has 24 hours to review the information I submitted. I'll get an email with an option to recover the password. Did you recover it? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.